Hey, what's up, Terra Luna holders? Absolutely, today is a very good news for Terra Luna holders because Terra Luna has gone up day by day. This is absolutely good news for Terra Luna. So before I start this brand video, I request you to please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel because subscribe is absolutely very important for you because I give you a latest update, every good news or bad news of about all cryptocurrencies. So this is absolutely good channel for you. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Terra Luna live price prediction. So guys, here as you can watch, the last 1 hour result absolutely gone up. So this is absolutely good news for Terra Luna holder because you can see here this is absolutely good jump for Terra Luna. You can see here this is last 1 hour result and you can see here this is absolutely the good chance. 0.32% absolutely good chance. Terra Luna, hold your token. Okay, hold your token. Okay, don't sell it because this is not a sell time. This is start of month and this is absolutely gone up. You can see here this time all cryptocurrency goes down, but one of Terra Luna is unique. They can start going up. So this is absolutely good news. Terra Luna price you can see here at 18.89 US dollar. Absolutely, and few days they can cross it 20 US dollar. So this is absolutely good. You can see here absolutely. So let's check out the last 1 day result. I hope the last 1 day result is absolutely gonna good. You can see here absolutely. Let's check out first of all the graph result is gone up. Absolutely, the graph result is gone up. You can see here like a rocket they gone up. So here as you can see the change is 0.43% has gone up. It's absolutely gone up. So this is the price you can see here as 0.10 point has gone up. Absolutely, the price is absolutely gone up. So I hope they can easily beat 20 US dollar and they can beat some cryptocurrencies in a few days. I hope they can cross. They can beat it all. Okay, look at you can see here the jump is absolutely like a rocket. Absolutely, the jump is gone up. Absolutely very long jump. So this is absolutely good for holder. Don't sell it, hold it and enjoy for the last of the month. Inshallah, they can cross 30 US dollar. So thanks for watching. Keep watching ABS Tech channel. Subscribe and like video. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.